morning, my daughter. God, me say mama this week. I have a whole heap of things to tell you today. Maybe I wake up tired this day. I wake up tired this morning to tell you. But you know what, Mavis, before I tell you what I come to tell you, say, I want you to do something for me. You remember you little girl when me tell you, say, if you beg your friend if you go follow up on the Instagram. He look like I work, so somebody else in beg me go send somebody go follow them for them picking it out so well and there. So I want you to ask your friend them if you go follow Militant Santi. They no give me name but me can call you no. Militant Santi on the Instagram. Go and go follow her too. You look like she keep lying. Go follow back her too, but yeah. So Lord, this thing job, maybe it's a thing job. So I have one bag of thing I want to talk to you about. You see me daughter. I say I'm so glad that your mother can't call you. Your mother's so glad that she can't call you when she needs you. So I'm going to send you the message, you see. Maybe say about the nice gentleman from the church that I tell you I was like. Maybe it's me like up a young man, you know. Me like up a young man, bad. So anyway, me face. The young boy said that he was going to invite me out because you know your mother brave, you know she brave. I thank you Jesus. Your mother brave, you know me face, so me ain't gonna ask him if he like me too because me I say, wait man, if me I pray and me I go deep under the prayer, he must can connect with me because he go deep under in prayer too. So me go ask him, yes. Ask him. And the boy tell me say he feel like our spirit align. I don't even know what it mean, but me say alright. Me I go take it. So me visit the young boy say he want go invite me out, and me say alright. And where we are go, you know, say your mother new to them kind of something, yeah, you know, say even though at 12 I wanna me have, me never used to feeling myself, and even though I wanna have different father at 2 man me ever have, so me never really dash myself, you know, how some parents then can't really tell them children the truth. I'm so glad that me can be honest with the whole of my children. Mavis, I love you, you see, you is the favorite one, Mavis. So as I was telling you about what the young man asked me if we go out with him, and I say, alright, I'm going to go out with him, Mavis. So the young man tell me, say, him want to carry me go a karaoke, Mavis, I never been to a karaoke before. I don't know where them do a karaoke, you know. But I say, alright, I'm going to give it a try, because you know how young boy, once you start take one young boy, how they want you to behave young. And you know your mother look proops and young and nice, and the first me look so good, you know, Mavis. So I say, alright, I go take it and I go. Mavis, when we reach at the karaoke, me wear my best church frock, Mavis. I wear the nice church frock underneath that tight cinty gown, you know, say show up my colors nice. And I wear it. And I wear one of my tall heel boot, Mavis. Mavis, your mother did bustle Mavis. I did still good. I wish I did take a picture for send you. But I never have any Mavis. So anyway, when we reach, you know, people go up and people was started to sing and people was started to show talent and all sorts of something. So me noticed that the young boy looking at me funny. But you know, your mother hold me Mavis, I don't know what to think of it. So I say, alright, make him look. Only if after the last Maddie sing Mavis, the young boy said to me, say, him want to go up there, and him say, come with him. Mavis, you know you're my camera shy and I don't know what to do, but you know, him encouragement me and him say, come, you're going to enjoy it. And me say, alright, you know what, I'm going to go, cause me no want to say me now go, and then one of the young girl them go see me, I want to go with him. So me say, make I go with him, is my person. So I go up there, and when them shine the big old dirty thinking spotlight on me, I nearly dead Mavis. But he says, alright, stay right here. So I may stand up right on the side of the stage, and he go out of the front, go for the mic, and he move the car, come put the right side of me, and he turn up side of me. I say it look like the boy going to sing. Mavis are telling you, me I run out of breath. So anyway, the boy take the mic, Mavis, and when the boy take the mic, Mavis, the whole crowd get silent, you know. Hold on there. It look like I get me cheese. I wait them, Mavis. Wait them, Mavis. Yes, Mavis, sorry. Yes, so anyway. So the boy take the mic, Mavis, and when the boy open his mouth, Mavis, when the boy open his mouth, the boy say, I gonna give a piece, Mavis. You know, I have to move the little breeze out of my throat for make it. I feel like I'll hear in there. Wait there, Mavis. The boy say, I said, when the young boy take the bike, when the young boy take the bike, Mavis, if I do what did I go come? Me say, Mavis, the young boy take the bike, and he said, they're going to give you a piece. I go tell you exactly what he said to me. I go tell you what exactly that young boy said to your brother. He said, always and forever, each moment with you. Mavis, Mavis, I don't get to hear the rest. Mavis, I straight and don't see me jack buzzing me head back. Mavis, say, one of the nice blood when you buy me blood off. And they take me to the hospital, Mavis. And the doctor said me have one Congo shot, Mavis, and when you do and as I tell us, I have only bad things to tell you, Mavis. And you want to help me to dress it your door. But I saw you go. Me feel like me I go half asthmatic. Make I get the pump, Mavis. Make I get the pump. Alright. I feel like I get better. Yes, Mavis. So anyway, after me embarrassment myself, and the young boy brought me to the hospital and carry me go back. So anyway, so you know, say I never did know. Say we had a couple of church sisters into the audience. What was at the karaoke, and me I tell you, say me a this. They brought back my business to the church, you know. Then go tell the reverend. So them see me in a sinner's quarters. Mavis, I never tell so much line in my life to come out of it. Mavis, me embarrassment, Mavis. And that's why I don't keep friends. But I now left a young boy go in none of them, so. Anyway, Mavis, you know, say young people love their one another. So I can tell you why it happened to me. But that's something else bad happened to me, Mavis. I feel like I drown. So yes, Mavis. So anyway, you know, the young boy did have a nice like a young girl too. I wouldn't say nice. She not nice like me. She don't look like your mother. She not nothing. She just look like a child and pit out. But that is another story. So anyway now, so the young girl went go here, say me and the young boy is gonna karaoke. But me not think she hear the story right. So I wake up yesterday morning and me hear somebody out a gate. I call your mother. But the voice sound a little strange, you know, me say, you know, me I go take a little props and look. Cause you know, 2 to 1 go run go out there cause the harsh shoe and nail and could say can't really stop evil from coming. So me say, alright. And when I props and look, it's a little face that I can't recognize. One little brown face, you know, and straight here and me I say. Then how that there, nobody not come from the area I look so, but anyway I walk out there, Mavis, I walk out there. And that was the girl introduced herself to me and told me say she is the young boy beloved. And Mavis, she cussed me off. She cussed me off, my child, and tell me how breasts look like slippers and things to take put down because it hall. And how my body parts supposed to crush up and fall up our breast. Maybe you know sense to me going to my church, but me take the embarrassment. I know say your mother not take shame like me for people. So Mavis, the young girl was stand up at my gate and she was insulting me, you know, Mavis. She da insult your mother, I know if you're there, you know, make it happen, you know. So me and the young girl was going toe to toe, Mavis, because I decided that I feel me gate, I mean, no, make see it win. No, because I'm a praying woman. So anyway, me and her go back and forth and toe to toe. And she said things and me say back extra things for her. Things that me not go say when me go back at church, I go pretend like it never happened. Me and this, the young girl give me one dirty kick under my neck. I nearly shit up myself. I'm nearly dead, Mavis. No, don't teach me how to kick under neck.